Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. Today we are going to be talking about how to get the best price on a stock if you see it. This is purely for swing trading and long-term trading. So if you're day trading, you can take this into consideration, but I kind of wouldn't. So let's get into it. First, you got to go think or swim. Well, you can do this at any point, but let's just say you're on the day chart and you're like, oh, that's a good trade right there. So I'm gonna buy down here. Wait, I'm just gonna turn off my trades. So you're like, oh, it just passed this, so I'm gonna buy here. All right, so that's your ignition candle. That's 12%. So let's just say, oh, it's a good day. So this is how I do it. I run through it. So there's two things to kind of consider. EMA, RSI and the stock RSI. And if you have it, the bot that I have, I'm considering just putting in a Google Doc, but whatever. So first thing, you're like, all right, so you want to go down the list of charts. So look at this. Let's just say it's this day right here. And you're like, I think it's going to go up, but it's kind of high on the day already. So you're like, it's kind of high. So then you wait for it to come back down again. And you're like, all right, so now I see a good price. It's somewhere in the middle or below. And it's okay on the RSI. So what you want to do is then go to the 15. Well, just say you're like, I want to buy on this candle. It's a day candle. So then you're going to want to go to the 30-minute candle. And this is back here. So this is the day. This or this day, but it really doesn't matter. It's the same thing. You're looking at a good push, and then you're like, all right, so let's just say that this is the day that you're trying to buy on. You're looking at it, you're like, it's got an okay RSI, but it's a solid upward trend. So then you're going to want to look for a red candle. So once it starts to do red candles, so any of these big red candles, look at them. They're super perfect. Then once you find a red candle, and in the stock RSI, you can see if it's below 50, then you're going to want to move on. So you can see right here, it's below 50. If this orange line is below 50, look at right there, right there, right there, and you've identified the very bottoms of the best prices of that day. So then you're going to want to move into the 15-minute chart. And we have to move back. Shoot. I have to time frame, 15 minutes, 5 days, 15. All right, so then this is that day. All right, so now you've identified all the lows and highs. You're like, oh, it's kind of high right now. Should I wait for it to be down here? Then look at, you can see that it gets lower on the RSI. Get as close as you can to below 50 RSI, and as close as you can to 20 RSI on the 20 stock RSI here. It's gonna do freaking wonders for you. You can see like that red candle right there, that red candle right there, that red candle right there. All of those are very, very good buying points. Like at every single one, it goes up, and you know what happens the next day. So that's not a good buy, that's not a good buy, that's not a good buy. There's a good buy right there, boom. So if it goes below 50, if both lines go below 50, there is about a 75% chance that it's going to continue down to 20. So keep that into consideration. So like right there, that's the perfect candle because it touches 20 stock RSI. So let's just say that it's right there. Then we're going to go to the 5-minute chart. And then, so this was that day. And you're looking right here, the 5-minute chart, this big 5-minute red candles right here. And then you're going to see it doesn't ever go up. I mean, this one had a pullback, but that wasn't an ignition candle because it was still touching the 15 SMA. You can see that it's starting to go back down. So that's an ignition candle that shows a downward trend. So then the next one, when it finishes it, it's going to be green. So if there's two green candles that make higher highs, then that's a sign of a reversal. Now, if there's two red candles in the row, that's a sign of a non-reversal. So you can see right here, starts to reverse. There's confirmation 1, that's a bullish candle. There's confirmation 2, that's another bullish candle. It's low on the stock RSI. You're like, all right, so nice. Then you want to zoom in even more. Now you're on the 5-minute chart. On the 1-minute chart, let's go 1 minute, 10 days, 15 days. And then we're going like this. This day right here. And we said right here, we had two green candles. It started to push up again. And then, boom. It goes right down, back down. Stock RSI. Right there, you'd buy at you'd buy at 12.43. And right after that, you would be freaking really set. What price was it at? So even though that's not the lowest of the day, you're still at a very average price and it doesn't go down. So that's one way to look at it. So now you can go up here, go back to the day. I bought it at 96. 96. 96 to now is 13%. Very, very good gain. So I'm going to show you how to do it with my bots now. So they're pretty decent. I'm going to go here. So my trading view bot. It's pretty decent. All right. So 2QQ. So let's just say, let's go back. It was the 776. All right, so it's somewhere right there. We're just gonna zoom in a bit. It's okay, so it's this day right here, from this day to this day. Now, what you wanna do is, now you can see one of my bots. I got a buy order here. So once you get a strong buy order, it's basically saying that that's the bottom and you're ready to swing trade. But what I like to do even more is, was that June 30th, is go to the 4-hour chart and basically do the same thing. So look at, now we have a buy indicator on June 30th, which was the day. Go to 3 hours. June 30th, we have a buy indicator. 2 hours. We have a buy indicator on June 30th. At 9:30, go to 1 hour. June 30th. June 30th, we have a buy order at 9:30. Then you go to 45 minutes. June 30th. We don't have a buy order there. So then we keep on going because we want an optimal price to buy at. So let's just say that none of this happened yet. None of this happened. So let's put it back there. Okay. Boom. 5 minute. June 30th. It's right there. Got a buy order at 13:25 military time. That's like 9:12. That's like 1:30. Yeah, 1:30. We got a buy order, and right after that, in the next day, it continues on. So this is my paid one, but I'm going to show you how to do it without. You can see here, this is my SMA indicator. So now I'm going to do that one more time. You can go down, June 30th. June 30th. See here, passes the, turns green basically. line turns green, which means there's a confirmation up. June 30th at basically 1:30, keep going down. Now we got a green indicator at 9:30. Then we got a green indicator at 8:30. And then we got an indicator. So, if you're really looking to do it, get my bot. It's really, really quick. And it'll give you really good prices pretty much on every single trade, especially this SMA one. It mostly does confirmation, so it recognizes the candlestick patterns and then basically says, is there a connection to it? So, yep, that's basically how you get the best price of any stock ever, especially when you're swing trading or long-term trading. You just gotta look for a good price. And that's pretty much what all stock trading is about. If you find a good price, then you can trade it really nicely, right? So thanks for watching. See you later.